As you know, Camp Chef has a big line of pellet grills, and on all those grills are different controllers. So I'm gonna walk you through our different controllers on our pellet grill line, the differences, and what controller might fit best for your needs. The three controllers that we have are a Gen 2 standard controller, and then our Gen 2 Wi-Fi or Bluetooth controller, and then finally our Woodwind controller. All of our controllers come standard with a few key features that are awesome, and I think you're really gonna love them. One of the best features that we have on all of our controllers is PID technology. What this really means is that our controllers run off a PID algorithm that's gonna hold tighter temperatures more consistently. So you're gonna have a great cook, even temperatures every time you use your grill. The next thing that all of our pellet grills have is smoke control. This gives you the ability to select how much smoke you impart on your food. You simply select your setting from 1 to 10 and let the grill do the rest. When you use smoke control, you might see some variances in temperature, but that's needed to create smoke. What this does is it allows your pellets to smolder, creating more smoke and putting that flavor into your food. It's a really fun feature, and I encourage you to play with it and find what smokiness level you like to have on your food. Next thing that all of our controllers have is a feed mode. You only need to use feed mode the first time you use your grill, or if you completely run out of pellets. What feed mode does is it runs the auger and it will fill up the auger with pellets. So again, you don't need to use it every time you start up your grill. But you do need to use it when you first fill up your hopper or you completely run out of pellets. All of our grills has a startup and a shutdown mode. This simply makes sure that everything gets up and going and burning, and then when you're done, it makes sure the fire gets put out completely. Lastly, we have at least 2 meat probes on all of our controllers or more. So all of these features come on all of the pellet grill line, but you'll see them on the standard Gen 2 controller. We've given some great upgrades to this controller and just easy to use one dial functionality. Now step it up to our Gen 2 Wi-Fi controller. This has all the features I've already discussed, plus Camp Chef Connect. This means that you'll be able to connect it to your smartphone device and monitor and control your grill remotely. Watch temperatures of your food, adjust temperatures from your grill, shut down the grill. You can do anything except for start your grill, all from your phone. The Gen 2 Wi-Fi controller also comes as a retrofit kit. So if you've had a Camp Chef pellet grill for years and you simply want a Wi-Fi upgrade, a better controller, this is the one for you. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes to install and is very simple to do. Lastly is the Woodwind controller. This also features Camp Chef Connect. So again, you'll be able to hook it to your mobile device and control everything through the Camp Chef app. It also has all the standard features we previously discussed, along with 4 meat probes, a very easy, simple to use design, a full color screen, and an awesome intuitive menu that's very easy to scroll through and select the features. I hope I've answered some questions for you today. Either way, no matter where you go about it, a Camp Chef pellet grill is gonna get you some of the best food you've ever cooked on your back patio.